Hello viewers, welcome to Stock Market Tips channel. First of all, I would like to thank all the subscribers of our channel. And as you know well, we are not CB registered. So before initiating our call, we recommend you to discuss with your financial advisor and then take our calls. Wishing you a good luck. In today's video, I am going to talk about the golden rules which you have to strictly follow when you are taking our calls. Rule number 1. Follow the rules and regulations given by us. Rule number 2. Stick on to your stop loss. As you know well, a call has a target and stop loss. Fixing a stop loss and practicing it is a good trading practice. Rule number 3. Avoid gap up and gap down markets because we can't predict their movement. Rule number 4. Avoid gap up and gap down stock. Suppose the stock given by us is opening up or opening down, then avoid that particular stock because they tend to move differently at different times. Avoid event day markets. If there is a global news to be announced, or if the quarterly results of a particular stock is to be announced, then the stock may experience huge volatility, sometimes a sideways or sometimes a different behavior. So avoiding such stock can help you save your capital. Avoid volumeless stock. If the stock is showing a movement within a particular range, a sideways market can never give you a target nor your stop loss. It's going to simply waste your time. So don't waste your time in trading that particular stock. Avoid monthly expiry. As a trader, we know very well every Thursday we have our weekly expiry and the last Thursday of the month as our monthly expiry. So monthly expiry tend to show huge volatility which will be experienced not only in the indices but also on the stocks. So avoid trade on monthly expiry. Maintain same capital for minimum of 30 calls. Suppose you are starting with an investment of 30,000. Day 1 you are taking our call and your investment has raised to 32,000. Day 2 don't trade with 32,000. Take off that 2,000 and try with 30,000, and if you are going to follow this consistently for 30 days, you can get a good returns by taking our calls. Rule number 9. Follow target 1 for 80%. Suppose you are trading with 100 quantity. Fix 80 quantity for target 1 and then the remaining 20% for target 2, and here you can fix the stop loss as your entry price. Last and the foremost rule is to follow 20 SMA. As you know well, SMA is simply moving average. Why we have to follow this? Suppose you have missed the entry price given by us and you know very well the target we are going to achieve, but you don't know where to fix your stop loss. Simply follow 20 SMA, which will help you to fix your stop loss. So follow all these 11 rules and get maximum benefit from our calls. Thank you for watching this video. Wishing you a good luck.